Just a heads up, ibang tao po ako pag nasa training na. Baka kasi balat sibuyas kayo. Yeah, ibang tao ako pagka nagte-train na ako. I have a different persona pagka ako'y mentor. I have a different persona pagka ako ay operations manager. I have a different persona kapag ka e-com business owner. And that is because I wanna make sure na I am scaling the business based on the need. So when I say scaling the business, it doesn't necessarily mean na ano lang siya, na profit at pera lang. Halimbawa, sa mga mentorship classes, ang goal ko is magturo. So, hindi ko kayo i-spoon feed. I will show you the step by step, but every single time that I see na merong coaching opportunity, I will call your attention and make sure na alam nyo. Because, halimbawa, when we send our calendar invite, ang haba nun, you really have to read that. And one of the training talaga, yung pinakang starting ng trainings namin, is for you to make reading a habit. Alam ko kasi maraming tao na kagaya ko na kinesthetic learner, so hindi ko natututo na magbabasa ng step 1 to 20. Matututo ako by doing it. And a lot of people na kakasama ko sa training is kagaya ko, na hindi ako magbabasa ng step 1 to 20, pero napaka-importante niya. At ito yung isa sa pinakang common na pagkakamali ko. As a freelancer myself, is I don't like reading long instructions. Instead, I just want to start doing it. And so, um, parang naging ano ko siya, learning experience ko that at some point I really have to follow instructions. Also, if you are a freelancer, kailangan marunong ka sumunod ng instructions. And so with that, kailangan kung ano yung natututunan ko, kung ano yung mga skill set ko, hard skills, soft skills, ituturo ko lahat sa inyo during training. And kapag ka nandun ako sa training at nakita ko na, okay, this person is now relying on pagtatanong, hindi na nagre-research, that's a big no for me. Kasi ako as a VA agency owner, ayoko ng yung tao is nagtatanong kagad ng hindi pa man lang nagre-research on their own. Gusto ko, if we're going to tackle a challenge, a roadblock, I want you to start thinking on your feet and provide me solutions that will help me help our clients' business. And speaking of that, I just wanna make sure na kapag kayo ay naging freelancer na, nagsisimula na kayong mag-apply, it's also important na you'd be able to answer that question na how does your service stack up against what's already in the marketplace. Kasi kung hindi ka magaling mag-research, tamad kang mag-research, tamad kang magbasa, bakit ka pa mag-freelancer? So ang technical lang naiisip ko, ang gusto mo lang is yung sinasabi ng iba na madaling kumita sa freelancing, which is not. Kaya lagi kaming nagsisimula pagka mga trainings namin, bukod sa technical knowledge about the skills or the role, we make sure that everyone is aware that this is a business na ikaw mismo kailangan pumalo. Anyway, kung hindi pa kayo naiengganyo do sa mga pinupost ko na promotion, i-check nyo na lang yung link sa bio ko. Nandun lahat ng open classes namin. And marami na naman kaming classes na magko-close for March. Opo, February pa lang pero magko-close na yung March. Hindi na po aabot. So mag-enroll na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!